employees.
Concerns growing about a shortage of hospital beds. The Georgia World Congress Center now considered a possible solution.
This is an exclusive. A MARTA whistleblower tells us the machines you touch every day may not be as clean as you think.
But first, we start with breaking news. 10 patients at one Athens nursing home have died, possibly from coronavirus.
A tragic story. Nursing home officials confirm each patient tested presumptive positive. CBS 46's Barmel Lyons live tonight at Pruitt Health Grandview near downtown Athens with the breaking details. Barmel.
Rick, 10 patients dead tonight at the Pruitt Health Grandview location after testing positive for COVID-19. Now, we've learned that the deaths have happened over the last few weeks. The nursing home saying they cannot confirm or deny the cause of the death for any of the patients. In a statement, Pruitt Health says Grandview is continuing operation at an alert code red status. The facility says the following strictly enhanced infection control protocols, including increasing cleaning frequencies, postponing communal activities, ceasing visitation, screening staff and patients daily, restricting staff to only essential personnel, and ceasing new admissions. Now, check this out. Right here you can see they go on to say right here at the Pruitt Health Grandview location that they are asking for prayers for patients, loved ones during this difficult time. We reached out to the county health department for more information on those deaths, but they were not able to contact us back. We're going to continue following up with that. In Athens, I'm Barmel Lyons, CBS 46 News.
Thank you, Barmel. Coronavirus cases nearing 10,000 tonight in Georgia. The health department says there are now 9,156 confirmed cases. Fulton County has the most with nearly 1,200. COVID-19 is blamed for at least 348 deaths statewide, up 54 from last night.
Tonight, medical workers on the front line telling us they're working in unsafe conditions. It's so bad, several in Metro Atlanta have walked off the job. CBS 46's Jamie Kennedy has more.
It's beyond words how frustrating it is.
It's a sentiment I heard a lot as nurses from city and rural hospitals who did not want their identity known poured out their hearts.
Clinicians and direct care workers that have left because they don't feel that they're safe themselves, and they don't feel that we're being safe for the population that we're dealing with.
Describing a workplace without basics.
Many times there's not soap. Yesterday I had no paper towels.
Saying it's a combination of management and employees who are cutting corners.
These patients have got to sanitize at least or wash their hands before they're eating. And the utensils, you cannot just have them all in a box and have everybody grabbing in to get them. It's just basic common sense. And the staff were saying it's too hard.
The nurses claim sometimes hospitals cut corners to save costs. This is backed up by the country's largest nurse union, who says too often healthcare employers prioritise saving money over safe care and wait to act.
I know everybody is scared, yeah, and everybody is, just asking for prayer.
The nurses union also says that employers are failing to ensure safe staffing levels and enough PPE equipment. In Atlanta, Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.
Right now from the live desk, hi everyone, I'm Alicia Roberts. Tonight, we have confirmed the Army Corps of Engineers has in fact toured the Georgia World Congress Center to map out a temporary hospital for coronavirus patients if the surge continues. The nearly 4 million square foot facility is mainly used for conventions and other large events. Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms discussed the need with CBS 46 late last month.
You've got to remember Grady Hospital is already not functioning at capacity, so they had to set up some tents and some things outside of the hospital to deal with the flood that happened there just a few months ago.
Now, at this hour, officials have not given a timetable or criteria for if or when medical equipment would be moved into the facility. We are keeping tabs on this developing story. Right now at the live desk, Alicia Roberts, CBS 46 News.
Thank you, Alicia. A new hospital tower opening earlier than expected to make more hospital beds accessible during the pandemic. 3 floors inside Marcus Tower at Piedmont Atlanta Hospital will open next Monday, almost 4 months ahead of schedule. If needed, 3 ICU and nursing units will be able to provide more than 130 additional beds, and there will be space for coronavirus and non-coronavirus patients. Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms taking action today to try to reduce the spread of the virus. That includes how and when people use the Beltline. From 6 to 10 a.m., it will be open to seniors. From 10 to 2, anyone can use it for exercise. And after 2 p.m., people can use it for transportation to work or to get food and medicine. The city is also removing basketball goals in several public parks where social distancing guidelines are not being followed. Mayor Bottoms says they continue to see people congregating and playing basketball and not using the 6-foot separation guidelines.
We do have some good news tonight. Crime in Atlanta is falling during the coronavirus pandemic. Atlanta police say over a 4-week period, overall crime is down 13%, violent crime down 7%, and property crime has dipped to 14%. Police are, however, seeing an increase in commercial burglary. Is Marietta putting you and your family at risk of catching coronavirus? That's the question tonight as a MARTA whistleblower talking exclusively to CBS 46's Trayson Bragg, saying the company isn't doing enough to protect the public. Trayson, good evening.
Good evening, Sean. Yeah, you see those machines behind me? Those are machines that you'll find at every MARTA station. They're also machines that are touched by hundreds of people every day. The whistleblower tells me the problem is that the cleaning crews are not touching those machines enough.
I just came forward because I felt like MARTA was not being socially responsible.
Those are strong words, but they're not coming from just anybody. This whistleblower is a MARTA bus driver. I hid the driver's identity to protect their job.
We have this virus that's around here that's killing thousands of people, and the breeze machines aren't being cleaned.
Those are machines every person taking a MARTA train touches over and over and over again.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I've never seen the breeze machine being washed down at all. The fact that I haven't seen anybody says that they're not doing it enough.
Last week, MARTA sent out this video in a press release that reads in part, MARTA implemented an enhanced cleaning protocol of all vehicles and facilities, cleanings of buses and rail cabs and high-touch areas that occurs multiple times a day.
It's about holding everybody accountable.
That's exactly what I decided to do. I headed to the Westlake MARTA station. I was there for nearly 2 hours. I saw riders walking in and out of the station, but I didn't see a cleaning crew, not one. The driver also tells me they're waiting for their bus to get the thorough cleaning MARTA promised.
On one of the buses, they're going to be the same condition they was the night before. You know, there's plenty of dust on there that shows that the dust accumulation has shown that the bus hasn't been properly wiped down.
Now, about 10 minutes ago, I got a call from MARTA's chief of rail operations. He tells me that those breeze machines get cleaned roughly 4 times a day while the stations are open, and then once again after the stations are closed. He says that MARTA may look into ways to make sure those machines get cleaned more often. Reporting live in Atlanta, I'm Trayson Bragg, CBS 46 News.
Trayson, thank you. An employee of the Fairborn Police Department has died from coronavirus.